Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Jihan Rahmi Sumantri, and I'm from Class B of ESP. And today, me and my friend, Group 3, will be delivered some materials, and me as a third speak and no, as a second speaker from my group will deliver about the process of need analysis itself. And here we go. The process of need analysis usually involves a set of decision, action, and reflection that you have to remember that decision, action, and reflection. And here are the step or the process that you have to do in the process of need analysis. First is deciding what information to gather and why. You have to gather the information and why you have to gather it. And the second is deciding the best way to gather it. It's about when, how, and from whom. And the third is gathering information. And the fourth is interpreting information. This step that you have to interpreting the information itself, and the next is acting on the information, and the next is evaluating the effect and the effectiveness of the action. This effect that you have to consider or to evaluate some information itself is the effect and the effectiveness of the action. You have to know or is it effect or effectiveness itself. And the last is deciding on further or new information together. It's about back to the number one of the process. It's deciding what information to gather and why. It's the first basic or the foundation in the process of need analysis. So after heard this, you can conclude that there are some key words or key points that you can remember. First is to gather information. Gathering information, and the effectiveness of the action itself, and the interpreting information. Maybe that's all from me today for this presentation. Thank you, and I'm sorry if there's some a mistake or some interpreting or misunderstanding. Thank you, and the next material will be delivered by my friends. As a third speaker is Zaki. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.